Hi everyone, so welcome back. We're going to go ahead and get started. So go ahead and take out your packets for your math. We're going to look at the next math worksheet, which is Ms. Ling's calendar. So everybody go to page 40 and 41 and it should look something like, it's after the ones that you already completed. So it should be this one. So right here it says Ms. Ling is the high school principal. Use her busy schedule to answer the questions on the next page. So every day Ms. Ling has something. So you can tell that on Sunday it's relaxing, Monday it's Columbus Day, Tuesday is school board meeting, Wednesday is the girls volleyball game, Thursday is orchestra concert, Friday is homecoming, and Saturday is the sweetest day, which looks like it might be a date. So these are your questions. It says, use a calendar to answer the question. So how many days in a week? So number one, how many days in a week? So how many days do we have in a week? So you're going to count the days. ¿Cuántos días hay aquí? En una semana. So vas a contar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 y luego 7. So aquí va a ir 7. Number 7. So you count 7. Number 2, circle the first day of the week on the calendar. So you're going to circle the first day of the week on the calendar. Circula el primer día de la semana. Number 3, put a check mark on the last day of the week. So vas a poner una check mark en el último día de la semana. Put a star on the third day of the week. Vas a poner una estrella en el tercer día de la semana. So, vas a contar 1, 2, 3. Ese es el tercer día y vas a poner una estrella. What happens on the fifth day of the week? Circle 1. So what happens on the fifth day of the week? Is it a Columbus Day or the orchestra concert? So you're going to count. The fifth day is number 5. So you're going to count up to 5 and then tell me what the answer is. What happens on the fourth day of the week? And the same thing. Count to 4 on the calendar and then circle your answer. What happens on the sixth day of the week? So you're going to count and then you're going to circle your answer. On number 8, it says point to Sunday. How many days before Ms. Ling must talk to the school board? So point to Sunday. So how many days before she needs to talk to the school board? So how many? You're going to go forward. So your answer should be 2. So then it says point to Tuesday. How many days before homecoming? So how many days before homecoming? So you're going to point to Tuesday, is right here. Martes aquí está. ¿Cuántos días antes del homecoming? So vas a contar 1, 2, 3. So what's your answer? 3. What do you think Ms. Ling's husband will get her for her sweetest day? So go back to the calendar and check your answer. Make sure they match. When you are done, you are going to take a picture of this worksheet, or both of them, because you're actually having to draw over here too, and send it to me for a grade. If you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck.